Hi everyone, in this video I will be welding with the OrbitalChamp welding enhancer and demonstrate the entry welding process. If we have checked the welding parameters are set correctly before welding, we can attach the device to the pipe. And then tighten the locking lever to secure the device. Then slightly loosen the lever and gently position the tungsten tip at the meeting point of the two pipes. Once this done, remove the remote control and use the positioning buttons to set the correct starting position. Once to set the position, start the welding with the start button. Carefully monitor the welding process and ensure that the work cable always runs into the designated cable holders. The end of the welding process will be indicated by the red LED flashing. Once the welding is complete, use the positioning buttons to rotate the device back to remove it from the pipe. After this, releasing the locking lever will allow you to remove the device from the pipe.